This is the first time I've added pomegranate seeds to this salad. It's not usually a fruit salad, but beets are kind of sweet, so I'm sure it's gonna blend well. Hey guys, my name's Teresa Campbell. Welcome to my food, fitness, and fashion video. Today's gonna be all about food. I've recently adapted a plant-based diet. I'm not completely vegan. I've had a few bites of fish. I'm trying to have this balanced life where I mainly eat plants, but once in a while I will have a tiny bit of chicken or fish, but for the most part, it's all plants. I've been seeing tremendous results. My skin is clear, my body, it feels very good. I feel like I'm making less of a footprint. To me, that matters. Without further ado, let's just get right into the recipe. Okay, I usually have one of these a day or two a day because they taste really freaking good. A salad bowl. And so I'll have a bed of lettuce. I put on some cucumbers. I have some this is the first time I've ever added pomegranate seeds. I had pomegranate and I just thought I'd try it and add a little bit to my salad. I have tempeh. This is tempeh. It's like a grain in soy. It's been one of my big sources of protein. It tastes really good. I like to saute it either with some coconut aminos or once in a while I'll do a peanut recipe, like where I saute it and marinate it in that. And then I'm also going to I like to add a little bit of fat, so I do the Kalamata olives. Got these from Trader Joe's and make sure that they're not soaked in oil. I hate it when there's added oil for no reason. I don't need the added oil. These are good fats as they are. I'm gonna cut up some beets. I always like to buy them pre-made. I suppose now that I have a pressure cooker, I could make them myself and I'll probably start to do that, but these are just so quick and convenient for salads. My favorite go-to salad dressings are these two from Trader Joe's. I like to actually combine them and put a little bit of each on the salad. They're both vegan. They have very few ingredients: cashew butter, lime juice, ginger, cilantro, and chili peppers. And this one's got lemon juice, ginger, turmeric, and black pepper. There's a tiny bit of other things, but those are the main ingredients in these things. My dog is being funny. Mila, get comfy. Get comfy. And then this, this isn't maybe like a health food, but I just love the way it tastes on my salad, so I add a tablespoon of it. It's this corn, sweet and spicy corn and chili from Trader Joe's, and it just tastes so good. So I put a little bit of that on there as well. I'm not gonna add this to this salad, but something I really do love are these Greek pepperoncini. When I want to do more of like a Kalamata olive, an onion, and I'll make like a Greek salad and I'll add these and it's so delicious. The tempeh, I'll show you what the tempeh looks like. So I just stocked up on this because it's been really hard to find. I don't know if a lot of people just started eating it or if there's a shortage or what the deal is, but this is what I buy. It's the Light Life tempeh. This is the plain kind. It has 2.5 servings per container, 3 ounces is a serving. Per serving, it's 8 grams of fat, 11 grams of carbs, and 19 grams of protein. When you're eating your salad, there's protein in a little bit of protein in everything that you eat. So you are getting trace amounts of protein from your vegetables and your main source of food, the plants. This stuff's awesome. Trader Joe's has it for the best price. It's under $2. Buy it from Sprouts, it's almost $5. And same with Target and Walmart. Trader Joe's, thank you for being you and helping me stay within a budget for groceries, because I buy a lot of this and I'm so glad that they have it, so I kind of stocked up. I guess I'm gonna finish making my salad and then I'll show you the next item of food. So I've really loved making these salads because they hit every taste bud. I get a little bit of sweet, I get a little bit of savory, I get that salty, I get my healthy fats. It just really has an all-around great balanced meal. I find myself very satisfied after I eat it. I love to add on some salt. I didn't show that, but always add a dash of sea salt or Himalayan salt. It just makes everything taste so good. There you have it. That is all that I do usually for my meals. This will be super satisfying and keep me full for a while. I will usually add like peppers and other vegetables. Shredded carrots are so easy. I like to have things already cut up if possible. You can always make a few salads and put them in mason jars, or you can just do the toppings and then add your lettuce to it, whatever you want to do to make it easy so you can quickly grab and eat it. It'll take me a while to eat this because there's a lot of chewing involved, and salads just take a little bit longer to eat, so I feel like you get a little bit more full and satisfied because your body understands that you're eating. By the time you're done, your stomach can trigger to your brain, hey, I've had enough. unlike when we shove food in our mouth really quickly and we still think we're hungry, so then we overeat. I just wanted to make a quick video of my favorite go-to food, and I hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe if you want more food ideas, and I'll see you in the next video. It's very good. Highly recommend. I like it. I like it with the seeds. Oh, so this is what a pomegranate looks like when you open it up, and the seeds just pop off and you eat them. It's very easy. All you gotta do is get it open. That's the hardest part. And then you don't eat the white stuff, you just peel it away, the membrane. But pomegranates have a lot of good health antioxidant properties. Maybe that's why it's like the sponsor for American Ninja Warrior. Pom juice. One thing that I've been doing well at with this plant-based diet is just trying different foods and getting more variety of foods in me. I do have my go-tos, but I try and experiment with more foods. Like I haven't had pomegranate this entire time, and I'm really enjoying it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Sorry for that little extra bit. We're gonna go now. I'm gonna go and eat my salad.